So we're gonna give you our lawn mowing update for the day, folks.
That's fantastic.
Was that pretty good?
I like that.
So yeah, we've been out at our new property, Forest Ridge, this week. Done some tractor mowing out there. We're kicking butt. This property, they're going to be impressed. Unfortunately, there's been some issues out there, and we're finding it with our new clients that edges on sidewalks haven't been done properly. So you got two extremes. The one where you got a gap, like a 5-inch gap between the edge and the turf, and then where they don't edge at all, and you got a 5-inch overlap.
You got a little squiggly lines.
So the guy's like, "Oh, we're never going to be able to get that edge back." I was like, "If you do it week by week by week, it's just slow and steady, makes it look great."
You can get a stick edger out there, but that's old blacktop. I wouldn't even attempt it. Really, you're just going to.
I would just chisel away at it until it doesn't look nice anymore, and then put a straight edge. But
the other option is you could spray a kill line down where it's at, and then once it's dead, then.
But they may not care.
I don't think
because they're already super happy. Yeah. I spoke with the board president yesterday. They were just surprised that we've been out there already. He said companies in the past, it was like pulling teeth.
I was 8 inches tall in the pool, so I don't even think that got cut at the end of the year.
Probably didn't. We're finding that on a lot, and we have some properties that people don't think that we should have been out cutting yet, but that's part of how seasonal contracts work. You leave the expertise up to us because we're not doing it to make money. Mowing wise, we're kicking butt. We got a new guy, Logan, that works for us now. He's a godsend. Mm-hmm. He's definitely knows what he's doing. Jean Paul, he's kicking booty. And I think one of the things I like the most is our team leaders over there. They've really taken ownership of their duties as team leaders. Yeah.
We've had silly issues like blades not being tightened down and goofy stuff like that for the start of the year, but that's easily fixable.
Yeah, and do you know what Larry's response is? That's what happens when I don't put them on. That's his passive aggressive. I'm not too damn old, guys. Let me do my job.
Right.
So, but yeah, mowing wise, we have had some equipment breakdowns on the mowers. We have 2 mowers out at Boone's Power Equipment right now.
One of the brand new ones with an issue.
So. Yeah, brand new one. But
fit and finish.
They're both under warranty, I believe.
Yeah.
So, but it still doesn't help us out. And of course, Josh, it's raining concrete on his head when something happens. Oh, we're screwed. The world's
doom and gloom.
Guys, like, buddy, it's gonna be okay.
Roll with the punches.
So it just means we're not screwed. It just means some guys are gonna get some overtime because they're gonna have to work a little.
Well, with rain and everything, and
it'll work out. I think he's got his chute blockers on. So, but yeah, we got our equipment. I think I owe John Deere some money. Don't watch us, John Deere. But yeah. Anyways, so fun times. That's your mowing update, folks. We're hard charging. We're moving along. Next week, it'd be probably properties we didn't mow this week. And then after next week, it'll probably be everything.
Oh, yeah.
For the rest of spring. Man, we just have some grass stunting temperatures.
Yeah, those lower temperatures and even have slowed things down and let us kind of bunny hop here and there where we need to. And then I'm sure we're going to have more storm cleanup after the tornadoes.